We're Beck and Becca, and we sold the idea of a normal life living, working, and paying rent in a city and bought a 35-year-old RV to take its place.
And unlike our original assumption, RV life is not the easy life, and we figured that out over the course of 8 months renovating and repairing our RV to be functional and livable.
But now we're going to find out what RV life is really like, because we're finally leaving home and setting sail on the adventure of a lifetime to visit all of the U.S. national parks.
This is it, day one, and we have no idea what to expect.
It is our last night sleeping here at the Bella house. And in the morning, we get in our RV and we start our journey. We leave to go live RV life.
That's so crazy.
I know.
Let's do it. There she goes.
Alright. What time is it?
It is 6:35.
And it is Tuesday, January 13th of 2026. And we are leaving for our RV life journey.
So let's go.
Let's go, co-pilot.
Let's do it.
Pulling out of the driveway, we couldn't help but get emotional. This is the beginning of our RV life journey, but it was nothing compared to getting gas.
I know. How could that be emotional? Well, it's the last time I'll hug my dad and see a familiar face for a while.
We filled up at the gas station. And the reason we're leaving now is because this was our window of time where the roads were safe, where it wasn't icy and slippery. And yeah, I'm excited. Let's see where the road takes us. Time to go. Time to leave.
We are headed to Nashville, Tennessee because we wanted to get out of the snow, and it's about a 9-10 hour drive for us from Michigan.
I'm excited to go and hopefully check out Nashville and maybe stay for a night or a day, and then we'll get back going and headed west.
Our goal is to hit all 63 U.S. national parks, and the first on our route headed south is Big Bend in Texas. So given that Nashville, Tennessee is on the main road to Big Bend, it'll be our destination for the night.
We are about an hour into our drive, and we're doing good, except our butts are hurting. These seat covers we got brand new, but they're really starting to hurt our butt, and they're becoming really uncomfortable, so we might have to get rid of them, honestly. We're in Grand Rapids. And fun fact, Beck and I used to live here for a year before we moved back up north and decided to renovate this RV.
That's right.
So we're back in our
Old stomping ground.
old home. I don't know, why did I just do that? Our first exit. Good job, sweetie.
Thank you.
We're gonna stop and get some gas.
Yep. This is our second fill up. We're gonna test to see how many gallons we burnt through on 165 miles.
We're gonna go to BP right there.
She's dirty. The highway put some dirt on her, especially right. Oh my goodness. On our stop, obviously getting gas, we decided that these are not comfy. We're gonna take them off and we're gonna test to see what our butts feel like without them. Bye. Bye.
You gotta unclip them.
Oh God, I forgot how bad it was.
Oh,
Vintage seats are back.
I don't like them, but it will make our butts feel better.
That's what matters.
I
Good
guess so.
feelings in our butt. All right.
All
Let's
right.
see how they feel. Oh my God. Oh yeah. How does it feel?
I feel like I could go in 8 hours.
Let's try it. Back on the road. My butt is feeling a lot better without
Yeah.
the seat cover on it.
My butt's pretty good.
Good. I'm glad your butt's doing good.
I'm glad your butt's doing good.
Thank you. The rain is coming down and it is very windy, which is kind of scary. 25 feet, I don't know, 11 feet high in the air. We're not very aerodynamic, but we're still doing good. We're on our way.
We are officially out of the snow. We're in Indiana. Woo! Here we go. We made it. We're in a new state. We're currently in Indiana, and it is mostly cornfields right now. And I just think it's so cool to see the differences as you go through each state.
We made a stop. We're here in Indiana at a pilot station, and I'm getting hungry. So we're gonna make some lunch. I don't know, chill here, use the bathroom, eat some food, and we'll be back on our way.
Sounds good. We're feeling great about our drive so far and super excited about making it to Indiana. But we were not expecting the trouble we'd be getting into as soon as we stepped foot out of the RV.
All right, so we just stopped, and it looks like our roof is coming off somewhere. So I'm gonna get up on the roof and check. Oh, shit. It's always something, isn't it? Okay, so I'm looking here. The roof is all just rotted. Luckily, this is just the paneling and it's not ripped too bad. I'm gonna have to grab my screw gun and put some holes in there. All right, walk to the Walmart. Hopefully they have a caulk gun, flex tape, and maybe anything that we could think of that would help us. So let's go.
As Beck is inside trying to find some flex tape, I'm gonna make some lunch. I also just love how satisfying it is to like scoop into like new peanut butter. Dun, 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 dun. And you just place your pickles. All right, well, just an easy sandwich.
$6 for the caulk gun and $14 for the waterproof tape. Found them both. Let's go check out. Bought our caulk gun. We're gonna see if we can't fix this hole or this tear.
Love you.
All right, as you can see how it's pulled up right there, we're gonna go ahead and try and fix that. As you remember, you saw what it looked like when I zoomed in on it there. Looks as good as new, right?
Good as new. Good job, sweetie.
Thank you.
Let's keep going.
Let's keep going. It's always something, isn't it?
I know.
While we have the tools out, I'm gonna put some screws in here because we didn't even notice. This is just flapping in the wind like that. All right, there we go.
All right, we're all set. Let's hit the road.
We got it all fixed up. Now it's time to get back on the road and head to Tennessee. So we made our third stop for gas. Our tank gets about 200 miles every fill up.
And we're about to make a detour, actually. We realized we're not going to be making it to Nashville today.
We had originally assumed our first park would be Big Bend, but the way our route evolved paved the way for us to hit 2 extra parks on our way south, starting with Mammoth Cave in Kentucky.
I cannot believe that the day is here that we're driving this RV to the national parks. This is day 1 of driving on the road, and soon enough we'll pull up into a camp and spend our first night in the RV and starting RV life.
Yeah.
I wouldn't want to do it with anyone else.
Aw, I love you.
I love you too. And I love everyone that's watching this video. Thank you so much for being real ones on day 1, for being OGs, and you're cool for that. So I appreciate you all.
And we hope you enjoy this journey that we are on, and you get as much out of it as we do.
Yo, Max.
Hey.
We're back to the house. Getting into some traffic here to get closer to Indianapolis.
Major traffic.
It sucks.
You got this. You're doing good. Look at all these cars.
Perfect timing. 5:30.
We are right in the heart of Indianapolis. We've been in a little bit of traffic, but it wasn't too bad. Beck did a great job.
Lots of construction, lots of traffic. Definitely different than the open road. Something that we gotta learn to deal with, and something that we gotta do.
After making our way through rush hour in Indianapolis, it wasn't too long before we were driving through Louisville, Kentucky, where the glowing skyline welcomed us into our final state of our first day of RV life.
Dude, look at Louisville.
Beautiful. Look, KFC Yelp Center.
I see it.
I love that.
Alright, we're making one final stop for gas before we get to our location in Kentucky. After our last stop for gas, we did the math, and it added up to be about 8.4 miles to the gallon. It just keeps getting better at this point. So we've got 30 minutes until our destination. We're staying at a Harvest Host location tonight. Less than 10 minutes away until we get to
First destination.
That's crazy. We've been driving all day. We're staying at the Lazy Ranch. Talk about boondocking. Going up a hill. Whoa. It's a steep drop off. This is it right here. Alright, we're here and I'm gonna help back up into this pasture here. Oh, alright, keep bringing it straight. Yeah, that's about right.
Oh,
We have light.
we are here.
We're here. We're at our stop for the night.
We did it.
We're parked for the night, but before we can go to sleep, we need to clean off our bed here. So the bed is made. I'm ready to go to sleep.
I'm ready to go to sleep.
It has been a very long day, 16 hours or more of driving.
Yes.
This is the end of day 1.
It was very successful. We made it out of the snow. I'm ready to start my adventure.
And the reason we started this journey in the first place is because we're going to all 63 national parks. So not only are we going to be able to wake up in beautiful places like this, but we're also going to be able to go visit those national parks, which is what brings us to Kentucky. And what are we doing in Kentucky?
And we're gonna go to the Mammoth Cave National Park. So we'll see you tomorrow.